What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Tralalero, Tralala from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson over on the left side of the page and draw a circle for the eye. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, going all the way around, and then back up. Now along the top of the eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now on the bottom left side of the eye, we're going to add a fold, coming down and across. Let's move over and draw the top of the head. We're going to start right here, bend this across and then up. Let's round out the beak, come all the way down towards the bottom of the body. I'm just going to pull this across towards that front leg. Let's draw that front leg on top of the body. We're going to step up, coming down and over towards the left. Let's move over towards the right side. I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes down towards the ankle. Now I want to wrap the shoe around the ankle. From here, going out, round this out, and then pull that back in. Let's draw the shoe. Starting on the right side, I'm just going to curve the heel, coming around and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And let's round out the bottom. We're going to come across and then bend that up towards the toe. Let's curve the foot, going up, and then we'll bend that down. Now I'm going to go back up towards the ankle, curve the shoe coming down and out in behind that fold. From the bottom of this curve, I'm just going to draw the laces going up, and I'll add a series of curves along the inside. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across from toe to heel. Now we're going to add that Nike swoosh. Starting from the top right, we're going to come down, hook that back up, come around the bottom, and then taper that back up towards the top. Let's draw that back foot in behind the body. We're going to start up here, coming down and in, step across, taper that down towards the ankle. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Draw the shoe, going around and then back in. Let's go to the right side, draw the heel, coming down, and we'll curve the foot, going all the way across towards the toe. Let's draw the top of the foot, going up, and we'll bend that down. Then from the left side of the ankle, bend this in towards that curve. Now let's follow those same steps. Draw the outside of the laces and add 3 curves along the inside. Let's add that thick sole across the bottom of the foot. Let's add that same swoosh from the back of the foot, coming up and going all the way around. Now I want to draw that seam going across the head. Let's start from the top, come across, out. I'm just going to pull this down towards the leg. Let's go back to the beak, draw a small oval for the nostril, and fill that in black. Move down and we'll draw in the mouth. We're going to come down, up, and then pull that down. Now I want to continue the curve of the body on the right side of the leg. I'm just going to bend this out towards that hind leg. I'm just going to layer the leg on top, stepping up, bend this down, and then out. Step over, again just tapering it so it's narrower across the ankle. Let's draw that same shoe from the left side going across and then tuck that in. From the right side, draw the back of the shoe coming down, round out the bottom of the foot, going over towards the toe, curve the foot going up and then back down, and then from the ankle, bend this in behind. Let's add those same laces, going up, then add 3 curves inside. Now we're going to add that thick sole across the bottom, and then that same swoosh from the heel coming up and then back around. Let's continue that curve going up towards the tail. Draw the bottom half coming down and out. I'm just going to bend this in and then back up. Now from here we draw the top half of the tail with a straight line going up toward the top. Bend this in and then down. Now there's 2 fins across the bottom of the body, so we're going to start down here, bend this across, taper that back up, and add a smaller one on the back. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the body. From here we're going to step over, curve this up above the eye, round out the back, I'm going to bring this down, I'm just going to pull that out towards the edge of the tail. Let's add that small fin on the back, going up and then back down. And I want to add that large fin across the top. I'm going to start up here, then it's up and then over, around at the tip, come down and then out. Now I want to continue the seam in between the legs and over towards the tail. So we're going to start in between, then it's across, and then taper out towards the tail. Now let's add some gills along the side. We're going to add 3, curving around. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Tralalero, Tralala. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.